Okay, number 68, let's tackle that one first. LM is the mid-segment, and we want to know what that is. We don't yet know what it is. I'm going to call it X. Let's just call it X because it's a length, and there's no other X variables in there. We know that AB is 72, and we know that DC is 104. And I know that you can take the two bases. Basically, you have base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 should equal the mid-segment. Okay, so what is base 1? 72 plus base 2, 104 divided by 2 will equal that mid-segment. And when we add these together, we get 176 divided by 2 equals that mid-segment, and 88 degrees is the mid-segment, so X is equal to 88 degrees, or LM. I'm sorry, I don't know why I'm saying 88 degrees. It's not degrees at all. And there's more evidence that I can't write 8s. What's going on with me? Something's up. Oops. Anyhow, I'll just leave it in the middle there because it seems to be causing me struggles. 88, not 88 degrees, just 88 as a length. Now, let's go on to the next. LM is again the mid-segment, but I don't want to call it X because we actually have values for that stuff, okay? So let's just say that's LM, and LM, which measures 4x plus 3, so let me write it a little higher. Is going to be equal to AB, the one base, x plus 8, plus DC, 222, the other base on the bottom, and all of that divided by 2. So we get x plus 230 divided by 2 equals 4x plus 3. What I want to do here is multiply both sides by 2. So I'm running out of room, so I'm just going to write this next line. X plus 230 equals this other side times 2. So we get 8x plus 6. Subtracting x from both sides, we get 230 is equal to 7x plus 6. And when we subtract 6 from both sides, we get 224 is equal to 7x. And I'm going to move that up here into the center, and we're just going to solve it right there in the middle. If 224 is equal to 7x, then dividing both sides by 7, we get x is equal to 32. That's the answer. So the math, really the setup is to take base 1, x plus 8, plus base 2, 222, and divide it by 2, and set that equal to the length of the mid-segment, in this case 4x plus 3.